design law firm. Okay, now I have completed one of the pyramid theme house design. We know pyramid building is a phenomenal building. Designing a triangular style pyramid house is still very interesting. Take a look at the following design. This house is in the form of triangle which has two sides of the same length. This house is designed with two bedrooms. Each bedroom is on the right and left side of the building. In the middle of the house, I put the living room and kitchen there. At the back of the house, there is a small park at the top of this triangular building. If you are interested in this pyramid triangle home design model, you can develop it better. This house has an unusual shape, so it seems unique.